Hi, this is Stacy from Minnie Crumb's Family Farm Homestead, and it's a nice warm day, so I'm going to show you a little bit around the farm. We got 13 new ducks today. I want to show them. We have mallards, Indian runner, pecking, a couple more different varieties, boys and girls. They're in our little barn shed for now. And we're going to let them free range. We have 60 acres they can free range on, but they're in here till they get used to this, to home. Grayson, you see the new doggies? Some of our chickens, our rooster, they're up in our woods. Wow. Up the hill a little bit. Free range kids. My babies. There's Dino, our kitty, coming to check out all the new ducks. You found an eggs? Cool. Let mommy see. Bring them up here. Cool. Yay. Nice. Our chickens love, we come out and feed them every day and they love it. See, they're all going to start running. We got strawberries and just dump it up. Piece of cheese.
A waffle.
Come to eat, Roo. Dinah, you think you're going to join them? They get to enjoy fresh strawberries and tomatoes, watermelon. We love our farm days. We love the warm days so we can come outside and play with our animals.
I was looking at my face.
That is so cute. We're going to build a huge pond for them this winter. We have pools we're going to give them now, but we're going to, or this summer, I mean, try to build a big pond for them. We have like just creeks and pools now. We are going to get bees this, hopefully spring or summer. Here's some of our, I don't know if you guys can hear me because the dogs, but I have one. We have one hive so far, and it needs cleaned up, and I need to see if I can salvage them up and clean them up, but I think I can. And the bees could probably clean them up pretty well for me. But we're going to start with bees this year, hopefully. Here's our chickens that we are incubating. This is our first time we ever did it, so I'm learning a lot. And they have just I think 8 more days, and we have 11 of them, and we hung them up to light, and it looks like they're all, most of them are going pretty well. And then we are going to, as soon as these are done, me and the kids are going to do one for a homeschool project. The Bible verse for today is Psalm 92. It is good to give thanks to the Lord, to sing praises to the Most High. It is good to proclaim your unfailing love in the morning, your faithfulness in the evening, accompanied by a 10-string instrument, a harp, and melody of lyre. You thrill me, Lord, with all you have done for me. I sing for the joy because of what you have done. O Lord, what great works you do, and how deep are your thoughts. Only a simpleton would not know, and only a fool would not understand this. Though the wicked sprout like weeds and evildoers flourish, they will be destroyed forever. But you, O Lord, will be exalted forever. Your enemies, Lord, will surely perish. All evildoers will be scattered. But you have made me as strong as a wild ox. You have anointed me with the finest oil. My eyes have seen the downfall of my enemies. My ears have heard the defeat of the wicked opponents. But the godly will flourish like palm trees and grow strong like the cedars of Lebanon, for they are transplanted to the Lord's own house. They flourish in the court of our God. Even in the old age, they will still produce fruit. They will remain vital and green. They will declare, the Lord is just. He is my rock. There is no evil in him. God bless.